this is 0 to 60 on my 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4 with a 4-inch Dodge off-road lift and 37s with stock 355s. I was just basing it off, you know, typical 2,000 RPM because I typically do not drive any higher than that. Very rarely will I get up to 3,000 RPMs. I'm sure if I did it at 3,000, I'd get up there a lot quicker than that. But we'll see how it does with the 456s. 456 gears are in. Let's go see how it drives now. All the white smoke. Okay guys, so my MPG did go up with the new gears and all. So far I'm at 89 miles, and you can see what my gas tank's on. It went up. I mean, it's about like how it was when I had the 33s again. But it's pretty torquey now, especially when you're going from go to start. When you stab it, it'll jump kind of hard, and it ain't like a race car. It don't take off quickly. On the interstate at 70 miles an hour, I'm going about 1,800 to 2,000 RPMs, and then I can't really get to go faster than that. I mean, but that's fine with me. I really don't go down the interstate much. I work at the house, so it's kind of like a weekend driver anyways. But when I get up here, I'll show you just doing 2,000 RPM like standard driving, how long it takes you to get to 60. This is going to be the opposite direction of what I was driving on the last video. I started at the end of this road on the last video, and so let's get to that. So there you guys go. The last video I started up here with this next road. I didn't really think about it. I was going uphill that time. Last time I was going downhill, so it took longer this time probably. But you can probably tell the RPM changes that, you know, it shifts when it's supposed to. Dead on, I started there. But hope you guys enjoyed. The 456 gears, I do believe, are worth it. If you pull a lot, probably do 488s. I might have did 488s just to do them anyways if I knew 456s will be how they are, because your top speed shouldn't really change. But hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. There is more videos coming soon. It just took me a little bit to get the money fully saved up to put the gears in, but I hope you guys find this useful.